Okay, so here we are in the workshop. This is just a bit of prototyping here. I'm waiting on some parts to arrive for to build a proper version of this. So what are we working with here? Well, what we have here is an old PlayStation 2 or PlayStation 3 Guitar Hero drum set, or Drum Hero, I don't know, can't remember which. Anyway, that's a drumstick. So in here was a controller specific to the PlayStation 2, which connected here. Basically, all these are there's piezoelectric sensors under each of these that generate a small voltage whenever they're hit. So all we need is we need to convert that into something that can be read by a computer, something usable. So the breadboard here isn't actually really doing anything, except just at the minute there's some bits and pieces on that aren't in use, but it's just being used to connect two of the drum pads to this little gizmo here, which is an ATTINY85 microprocessor board. I mean, it is absolutely tiny, as the name suggests. It only has a very limited number of inputs, so it's actually only got two usable analog inputs. So this is really just a test of two of the drum pads. And what I have it hooked up to is the ATTiny is emulating a keyboard, and it's just sending out when one of the pads is hit, it sends out an X, and when the other pad is hit, it sends out a B. And those are absolutely spot on for this software, which is Hydrogen, which is drum software, free drum software, very, very configurable, which is available for Linux. Probably available in Windows too. It's open source, really good. So let's see if this works. So, whoa, yeah, it works. Yo! So the next stage of this is to tidy up this wiring here. I was going to put a board inside this, but I'm not sure if we'll do that now, because when it dismantled the PlayStation 2 controller board, there was a connector here which I was able to recover, and I might be able to make something up into a little box that would sit in here, maybe glue it in or just set it in, and that will have a USB connection coming out of it that again will emulate the keyboard. So what I'm waiting on at the minute coming in the post is an Arduino Micro, which has lots of analog to digital inputs, not just two usable ones. And I'm going to repair there's a foot pedal and two cymbals, and I'm going to repair those because the wiring needs fixed. And I think we should be good to go. We'll have, and the beauty of my system is that I could add other things to it. You know, I could add the PlayStation 1 is limited to, I think, 6 drum pads or cymbals or foot pedal, and I could add 2 or 3 more things if I can get hold of them. I just put my own sockets in. So yeah, all good happening.